Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learn Style3D Simulator. This lesson is the fourth part of the Simulator in-depth course. The focus is on introducing the collision filter and drawing collision partitions on the human avatar. Open your created UE project. Select the avatar. Search for Style3D on the right. Add the simulator plugin. Next, click on the top left corner. Click on the network body drawing mode. Draw collision partitions on the human body. Click Draw. Set the color view mode to RGB channel. Here, it is recommended to use the official preset mask values. Also, set the brush strength to the maximum to avoid missing details. Adjust the brush size appropriately. Open the collision mesh option in the simulator plugin. Then open the collision group. There are colors for human body collision partitions below. On the left, you can change the brush color. Choose the official preset color on the right. To prevent errors, click on the color picker tool. Pick up the preset color. Start drawing. Collision filter can be used to set the collision relationship. By drawing human body collision partitions, you can make the designated areas on the human body not collide with the patterns. This helps avoid clothing penetration or sticking issues. Draw carefully. Don't blend the colors. After finishing the drawing, click Save in the top left corner. Next, let's demonstrate the different simulation scenarios with and without human body collision partitions. Here, I have already prepared a pre-configured outfit. Open the network body drawing mode in the top left corner. You can see that there is currently no network body drawing. The human body is still white. Next, exit this mode. Perform real-time simulation testing. At the same time, you can open the frame rate display to observe changes in frame rate. The frame rate has changed. However, it stabilized at around 60. But there is a penetration issue on the right leg. Next, we will follow the previous method to draw collision partitions for the avatar. Skipping ahead. After finishing the drawing and saving, click Bind, Group, and Save in Simulator sequentially. Let's test again. You can see that there is no more penetration on the right leg. Obviously, the drawn human body collision partitions have achieved good results. Alright, that's all for this lesson. Feel free to like and share the video, and leave comments in the comment section. See you in the next video.